Here is the floor plan for our 2-bedroom open floor plan house design with a porch in the front and a laundry room or a utility room in the back. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to kind of zoom in here, give you an idea of what the living area is, 1,120 square feet. And we have a full length porch on the front of the house that is, I believe, 6 foot. Okay, here we have 6'2". And you can get an idea what type of spacing we're looking at for our doors and our windows. And here we have a 4 foot by 4 foot window, 3 foot doorway. Let's move over to this side here, the bedroom. The bedroom with a closet, and our closets, I believe, are 2 foot deep. Except for this one here is a little deeper. And you can always make these closets a little longer and make this one here a little shorter if you wanted to. However, you're not going to be able to do much with a door. The doors here need to fit in a certain space. So the distance from here to here, inside to inside, we'll probably have a minimum distance to fit this type of a door into. And here we have a 4 foot wide by 3'6" tall window in the bedroom, and the bedrooms will probably need to have fire exit or fire egress windows, and I believe 3'6" is the minimum height for a window like this. If you have a standard height window header of about 6'10" measured off of the finished floor, and then our bathroom is a little larger, 5 foot wide by 10 foot, and we have a cabinet here. You could always move this wall over if you wanted to and put the cabinet on the outside, or have a cabinet here and a cabinet on the outside. And we have a 4 foot by 16" window to provide us with some ventilation and light in our bathroom. Most building codes require a window or an exhaust fan. And of course, if you moved the wall over to here and put the cabinet on the outside, you wouldn't have a straight line here. However, that might not be that big of a deal. And then our kitchen. And you can see here where we do not have any windows in the kitchen. However, you could always flip this kitchen around and have this section over here and put a window in, and then rearrange the cabinets to make something look good. And then our washer and dryer, along with our water heater and a cabinet. And our back door is going to be 2'8". You can see we got plenty of room here if you want to make this a little bit larger. And one window here. And let's go ahead and pan out to make sure that you get all of the measurements in here. In case for some reason you can't see them, zoom in a little bit. Try and zoom in here. Water heater, cabinet. Measurement here for the window, 3040. And of course we have a good sized living room there. I would imagine you could take the living room and put a table out here somewhere for dining and still have plenty of room in the living room for some couches, chairs, and a television set to create what everybody has today, an entertainment center. Let me just zoom in on these to make sure everybody can see these measurements over here, just in case they didn't. Next up, let's go ahead and take a look at a few more views of the house to give you a better idea what you might be looking at. And of course, we have our front door and our porch with one living room window, another living room window, another one here. We go ahead and swing to the back. We have our door and a window in our laundry room. And then of course our bathroom window. And you can always add more windows if you want to. Our 2 bedroom windows. And then of course our bedrooms. The bedrooms with our closet in this section here, along with our door going into the bathroom, our kitchen. Let's go ahead and just kind of zoom in here. And of course you could always have a bar here. And I really didn't spend much time, didn't put any upper cabinets in here, and didn't do a lot of detail work on this one here like I normally do. However, I'm pretty sure there is enough detail to provide you with an idea of what this house might look like. And of course, this cabinet could be full height like this one. Our bathroom. And of course, the reason for raising the window would be to make sure that it fits with your tub surround. Toilet, sink, cabinet, and again, bedroom with closet doors. Same on the other side. Hope I'm not making anybody crazy here, dizzy. And that should be it for this house, and I will put a link to the framing and try to put a playlist together for other videos that I make on this particular house.